guys? It's RPEGaming here, and this is Pistachio House. Yeah, sorry, my morning voice is kicking in, so yeah, my throat's kind of flumming up. But yeah, um, we're gonna be doing a nice endless, I guess, with one re1. Why not? And let's do one randomized and see if it randomizes our things here. Oops, that was not it. Here we go. The animal golem. This is okay. Well, I guess we're going with this because the reason I'm not doing it what you guys says because no one commented. So I guess right now I'll just do endless random and see how far we get. Diamond was not bad. Golem's pretty bad. I would say it's a pretty bad combination. Golem can be good if you have other programs to help it out, like Lockpick 2, for example. Though it's something you wouldn't rely on yourself. It's okay. It's not bad, but certainly not the best. And I'm pretty sure you know these. I am probably not going to go with Archive Nika because I don't feel like she's as good as regular Nika. And anyway, Nika is a lot more interesting. So, yeah, I guess let's go.
We're in a tight spot. The last few missions drained our accounts almost entirely. We're barely afloat. If we don't turn things around soon, we'll have to close up shop. There's plenty of profit to be made out there if we're bold enough. I'm authorizing you to go off contract. Incognita is looking for corporate vulnerabilities. Exploit these, take whatever you can, and rebuild the firm. This company is my life's work. We've all bled for this. Don't disappoint me, operator.
So I'm guessing, we're just trying to get money here. Or at least that's the story.
Executive terminals have elevated...
Once again, an FTM. I should probably read that stuff to you because it tells you a lot about what they're going to be packing. The companies themselves. Who knows? I might learn something. I don't remember all of them by hand. I know FTM, K&O, and some of the more basic ones, but generally I don't remember them by hand or heart, I should say. By hand. I still think this Crybaby is not the best. Can you gain extra power on K? Oh, that's okay. So yeah, we have a squad that likes to knock people out, I guess. It's very interesting. Still not happy about getting a golem, but oh well, whatever. What can you do? Let's take a peek in here. Patrolling. Really? Yeah, he would see her no matter where the heck she went. I guess we just hope that he doesn't come in here. This is annoying. He's not coming in here, thankfully. Oh, nice. I mean, this is when Golem is good. I guess I could have even waited one extra turn. Do you got Anarchy? You do. Nice. I guess I'll have her go over here. It might be a short run here, guys. I don't know. So far, I'm not liking the way this is laid out. This is nice. Oracle can be good. Probably not gonna get it though. It's not good enough. Charge. -2 power cost, +1 cooldown. That's actually pretty good with Golem. It gives a passive plus. Dang it. I didn't... I guess I should have hid behind that cabinet. Yeah, that's why I have the one rewind. But we do know there's a camera in there now. And we do know that they won't see, That should be... Nah, that's too risky. Let's go here. Way unfortunate that, there wasn't any good programs, like hacking programs in here. But oh well, what can you do? I'm assuming this guy... Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to open this door. Because I haven't got enough AP. God, these guys have been wasting a lot of my turn. Okay, he's going there, and yeah. See, that's why I had to go in here, otherwise he'd catch me. Fortunately, no, Nika does not have, what do you call it again? Oh, God, I forgot. The camera can't see me anyways. There we go. But yeah, the why, I guess I should have explained. The reason why Golem isn't the best without other things is because mass hacking you can't really do because it, the value is so bad with it when you try to mass hack. Okay, so this is the exit. So the room has to be over there. Oh my God, these guard patrols are going to be very annoying once they switch. Additional cameras. Okay, this is like medium. I'm gonna want to active. I know that wasn't the best Golem, but right now I need to find that in quick. Jeez, if I could actually have like even Data Blast would be pretty good with this. Oh shoot, I didn't. That's why I forgot to move her. Well, she's gonna have to just sit here in our turn. Hope he doesn't see her. Which he probably will, knowing my luck. At least if she does get shot, it's near the exit. And you know what? Just in case he does see her. He'll go here. So I don't think he will. Because he will shift. I'll steal these banks on the way out. Or I'll steal from them. As Fatso. And I'm just gonna wait there with her. It's really unfortunate, but oh well. Okay, empty room, I'm assuming. Guard down there. If I remember these guys patrolled correctly, I can probably... no. Jeez, if I just have one more AP... I'm gonna come down here, so... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Yeah. I don't think he'll see me. You know, maybe I should just take him out just to be safe. I'm gonna probably take out these 2 guards. I think, because once we shift the alarm, it's gonna get much tougher. Is Dynamo's still working? Yeah. I feel like Dynamo's not working. Unless I misread it. Okay, he would have not have saw me. Whatever. So I have 9. Oh, this is not good. I swear I heard a guard down here. Am I wrong? Okay, so it did activate. It's just it doesn't feel like it. I'm not gonna go for that PC because if there was a guard in the room, then I'm pretty screwed. God, why couldn't I have lockpick? Really? He's right. Okay, he went right there. And now Dynamo's dead. Come on. Oh well. Hi there, bro. How are you? At least I can still hack, you know, with what's it called again? I don't know. Whatever. God, this is not a good start, guys. I might lose this first mission.
Terminal. Hack it, and we can get out of here.
I don't have much time. I'm just gonna take it and go because this is escalating really quickly, and he was only knocked out for 2 turns.
Great. When you activated that terminal, it sent out an automated message to change up the guard duty. Be prepared for new patrol patterns.
You heard her, right? Be prepared for new patrol patterns. Where are you going? No, serious. Oh, he's going in there. Oh, come on. It's just not good. And he's gonna wake up too. So I am gonna have to wait since I cannot. Actually, I could have reached him, but oh, it's too late now.
What happened?
Okay, he got up right there. Dynamo's still. Oh, I guess it's until free. I thought Dynamo was dead, but nope, it's still working, plucking away. Anyway, I'm gonna have to wait for him to pass by, so might as well just grab some power and hit up these last few safes on the way out, and we'll be golden. And he's gonna be waking up this turn. Okay, Golem is gonna be at 2 next turn. That's acceptable.
Guess it was nothing.
Yep, guess it was nothing, bro. And of course, why not?
What happened?
What happened? Well, you got knocked out, bro. That's what happened. Yeah, this is not such good of a first mission. But hey, at least I'm getting some safes on the way out, you know? I guess I know this is bad, but I'm probably not going to be back here anyways. I think it'd be fine to hack just one last save. Just one last turn on Civ 5. That's a game I haven't played in a long time. You know it. I know it. We all know it. I'm just going to wait out here for him to come out, since he does have to come out this way, unless he has a key card. I don't even think if they do have key cards, they use those doors. There we go. I'm done. You're done. You're down. And we're out of town. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, no. I'm not gonna chance it. Like, the next alarm level, they're gonna locate me. So, I prefer not to stay around and play, if you ask me. Anyway, I have that guy chasing me now, so... It's not just not worth it, man. Just ain't worth it. I guess I can, you know... Let's look at this just one more time. Yeah, nope. Nah. Oracle's okay, but not good enough. Yeah, I can and I cannot believe that, okay? I honestly don't trust that cat.
Investigating area.
But yeah. So overall, all in all, it was okay, but could have been a lot better, man. Let's not unlock that door, because I don't need to go through there, and that just allows... Okay, she can get in. She can get... Okay, we're out!
Excellent work, operator. Now to sift through the data and find the juiciest targets.
Yeah, Central. Let's see how far we can make it. I wonder when when we're gonna start needing to collect them.
Loneliness thing for a client. Real motivated seller.
Ooh, I love that. But let's first see what we got. Okay, detention center. Vault, plastic server farm. I think I might go to the detention center. Even though there really are hard missions.
I'm taking a big risk selling to you right now, so don't make me regret it. Don't go using it all up in one place, though.
It's kind of hard not to do that, monster. Come on. Who will get it? I guess Neek. Actually, nah. Nika has way more potential. I don't know if it does it across both agents, but yeah.
I don't have anything for you. I should be able to move this and make a tidy profit.
But yeah, guys, we're gonna be doing that detention center next time, and yeah, hopefully you liked this video on Pistachio House. It's part of the Hut channel, so yeah. If you haven't checked out any of our videos on Pistachio Hut, we usually do Nintendo games and have a good time in general. There's a lot of nice videos on there. I recommend going and checking that out, and hopefully I can populate the Pistachio Hut channel with games like this that maybe my viewers do not want to see. But yeah, I guess I'll see you next time, guys. Sayonara. What, were you expecting me to say rolling out? Well, this is Pistachio House, so I can't. But seriously, like, why are you guys staying this long to listen to me anyways?